When your Koorui monitor displays a no-signal message, it means the monitor isn't receiving a video signal from your computer or connected device. This is actually one of the most common issues with budget-friendly monitors like Koorui, but fortunately, it's often easy to fix with some quick troubleshooting steps. The no-signal error appears when your monitor is powered on and functioning, but it's not receiving any video data from your computer. The monitor itself is working fine. It's a communication problem between your device and the display. First, check your monitor's power LED. It should show a solid light indicating the monitor is fully powered on. If it's blinking or showing an orange light, the monitor may be in standby mode and not actively looking for a signal. Next, use your monitor's input or source button to cycle through all available input options. Your monitor might be set to the wrong input source. Common options include HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, and VGA. Try each one to see if any receives a signal. Loose connections are one of the most common causes of no-signal errors. Firmly disconnect and reconnect all cables at both ends, both where they connect to your monitor and where they connect to your computer or device. Make sure they click or seat properly into place. Finally, if you have a spare cable available, try using a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Cables can fail internally, even if they look fine on the outside. This simple swap can quickly identify if a faulty cable is causing your no-signal issue. These 4 quick steps address the most common and easily fixable causes of no-signal issues with Koorui monitors. Most connection problems can be resolved within just a few minutes using these basic troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Koorui monitor's no-signal issue, it's time for intermediate solutions. The first step is updating your graphics drivers, which are critical for proper display communication. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. NVIDIA users should go to nvidia.com, AMD users to amd.com, and Intel users to intel.com. Outdated drivers are responsible for about 25% of no-signal issues. If driver updates don't help, the next step is resetting your display settings. Boot your computer in safe mode, which loads basic display drivers and allows you to reset problematic resolution settings. In safe mode, open display settings and reset the resolution to a standard setting like 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. This resolves resolution mismatches that can cause Koorui monitors to display no-signal errors. Next, test different ports on both your monitor and graphics card. A faulty port can cause intermittent or permanent no-signal issues, and trying alternate connections can quickly identify this problem. Try connecting your cable to different HDMI or DisplayPort connections. If one port works but another doesn't, you've identified a hardware issue. This systematic approach helps isolate whether the problem is with a specific port or the entire connection. The final intermediate step is performing a complete power cycle. Turn off both your monitor and computer. Then unplug them from power for 30 seconds. This clears any residual electrical charges and resets the connection handshake. After 30 seconds, plug everything back in and power on your devices. This process resolves power management conflicts and timing issues that can cause Koorui monitors to lose signal, especially during sleep and wake cycles. These intermediate solutions are particularly effective for Koorui monitors because they address the brand's sensitivity to signal timing and compatibility issues. Koorui monitors can be more particular about refresh rates, resolution settings, and power management compared to other brands. By systematically updating drivers, resetting display settings, testing ports, and performing power cycles, you address the most common intermediate causes of no-signal errors. These steps resolve approximately 85% of issues that basic troubleshooting cannot fix.